This is your quick guide to Unit 50, Information Graphics. Okay, Information Graphics, the overview of the unit. Information graphics is basically used in a wide variety of applications, so flyers, adverts, poster, web design, signage, magazines, so anything that's kind of giving information to the audience in an organised manner. Usually the unit is asking you for it to be a client-led brief, which your projects are. It's client-led and it includes a deadline, costs, target audience and copyright sort of stuff. So making sure you're not using copyrighted images, making sure you create an imagery that is suitable for the client and to the client's deadline. You also need to show that you're following the design process, and we know what the design process is. It's research, development and final. Now this unit is normally delivered with Unit 42, Design for Advertising, and that whole unit is based on the design process, and it's what we follow every time. So by the assessment date, you need to prove that you've got these unit outcomes. You need to prove that you can investigate information graphics briefs. You need to prove that you can develop ideas towards information graphic outcomes, and you need to prove that you can present final designs for information graphics. So let's break that down into the grading criteria. So we've got Pass 1, Merit 1, Distinction 1. Pass 1, investigate information graphics briefs. Merit 1, demonstrate effective exploration. And Distinction 1, independently apply it to inform your innovative work. Let's have a look at that a bit more closely. So Pass 1, Merit 1, Distinction 1, basically research. Pass 1 is looking at a range of information graphics and advertising. Merit 1 is annotating the research using your visual communication knowledge. And Distinction 1, develop original, engaging final designs. It's almost exactly the same as the advertising unit. So again, how you're going to show that you understand how the imagery has been created and what is being communicated, you're going to use your visual communication sessions. Go back over your old sessions and look at the communication as a process, semiotics, polysemy and anchorage, associations, denotation, connotation. So you can reuse some stuff from your other projects. Just make sure that when you include in it, you edit it so it's appropriate for this project. So now we've got Pass 2, Merit 2 and Distinction 2. Develop ideas towards information graphics, develop diverse ideas and clearly present innovative, exciting finals. So Pass 2, Merit 2, Distinction 2. Design development is basically what it is. Pass 3 is producing ideas for the brief, so just come up with some ideas, use your sketchbook, put it into your file. Merit 2 is creating a variety of effective ideas. So don't just go with your first idea or a slight variation of your first idea, because you will only get a pass. This needs to be a variety of them. Okay, it does actually say the word that it uses in the grading criteria is diverse, and diverse means a wide variety, so make sure you've got plenty of ideas, lots of thumbnails. Normally we say 50 thumbnail ideas, develop 5 a bit further and then choose. And for Distinction 2, present original and exciting final designs. So that means coming up with a final design that is fit for the purpose that you're working on. It's got to be right for the company, it's got to be right for the target audience, and it needs to be a professional standard piece of design. And you only need to do one. For Pass 3 and Merit 3, present final ideas for information graphics, and Merit 3, present coherent and effective final designs. Basically, for your Pass 3 and your Merit 3 is your final, obviously, and you need to present a final design and you need to make it effective to get the merit. Now, if you get the merit on that and the distinction on the others, you've got a distinction, and it's quite an easy distinction because it's almost identical to the other unit you're studying. So get it right and you pick up 2 units, get your distinctions in. That is Unit 50, Information Graphics.